So
in a money look like, because for me, because for me the thing, and it's important, and how you align yourself with people. If this is what you do, me need to be close to you because you're showing me ways I can make money. And I
I
want
think that one is big, Keisha.
so, and that's the thing, a lot of people say, boy, I hear it a lot of times in the DMs everywhere. Keisha, me need some help to figure out how to make some money. Me don't know, me can't buy a place, me can't, but you can rent somewhere and then sublet it. So the mix up, you register a company, which your KCLH helps persons to do. Register the company, set it up proper. You take out the lease, and then you're subletting it.
You're paying that rent and also have that to reinvest into another venture.
All right, so that's number one, rental. I like that one because it's easy to do, right?
Easy.
I have students at big university students. That is what them do on the side. Them say them get
Exactly.
big money. I help collect people who owe student loan or car loan. I help, and them say I get creative. I go online, I find them, I'm gonna get them to pay by the money. And when the person pays the money back to the institution, I get 10%, 15%. That's what they say. And they say they make $600,000 a month. That's what the girl said she could do.
Yes. Yeah, you can make more because there are companies there that would have even approached us to say, okay, can you do, but with the, to be calling and so on. So we can put you on to some companies as well who need that service, so you
You
can
can
make your money.
I'm coming from an event just now in Toronto. I been backstage, I talk about these things with people, and I'm like, if only, and I'm like, may I come from money classroom after, and I'm like, if only we just open up with these types of conversation, more people will have money. I really and truly say go. So either you get in the game or you go sit up on the sidelines and watch everybody else pass you. That's the plain truth. We're get the game, we're get the answers to the test. You have to use it now and build the wealth for yourself. We have rental income, car flipping, house flipping, stocks, tax filing.
It is a way that we can actually get revenue and get money and actually be flipping those funds as well. So again, we will assist you along that process, but that is also real.
Yeah. Because the thing is, the business registration, a business structure is a tool in of itself to create wealth. And that is why it exists. A lot of people run from the tax thing and say, me no want to pay no tax, me no want something. Me go and operate, and me no want to file a tax. But that is the poor way of thinking about it because the business structure, it specifically was designed for tax efficiency. Having
Exactly.
a registered business can create money for you. With the tax filing, it's true. Versus somebody, I'm a side hustle, someone that really register nothing. You're holding yourself back, you're limiting yourself. You have to have a structure because, and it pained me because it's the wealthy people will use all these tax structure.
If you have savings, it's investing in stocks and securities.
My team.
And that is a given. So I know most persons will be moderate or low risk, but if you are more aggressive, watching the market and ensuring that you have a diversified portfolio, US stocks, Jamaican stocks, and you get some guidance on that, that is another way that you can make some serious money, more than the 156,000.
A lot more. So like
A lot more.
today I will be a bit transparent here. Today was a good day for me. Me did sad when I wake up, but I look here. 9:30 a.m. the US market opens, right? Me and my clients by 9:30 we were ready. We went in. We knew that there was a lot of optimism, which would have mean stock prices would have go up today. And we went in. And we had a good day. A very good day. That's why I say it could have been red, it could have been blue. We always in at the green.
Green money
All we're looking at is how can I make money from this? And we did make money through stocks. It's a very efficient
Exactly.
way.
I was at a place before I owned my own unit, and then I rented it to a young lady. And what the young lady did, she in fact sublet. She boxed up the place, and when I look and I said, "My goodness," and she getting like 60,000 or so for them. They do makeup, all sort of thing,
Yeah,
massages, and everything like that. And the income she's getting can pay whatever rent, plus getting more than 150,000 for the space. And there
that's
are a lot of opportunities because when you take up the classifieds and for places to rent as well, you can look at it, do a little fix me up, and there are a lot that comes out like in the Sunday Gleaner. And then you actually lease the property and either Airbnb it or you use it and sublet it out.
yes, I have heard of people who on the residential side they rent like a 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom apartment and then use that apartment now for Airbnb.
Exactly.
And the Airbnb money pay back the rent plus give them a profit.
So that the option is yours. Do I want to ensure that I keep this vehicle now and have a monthly income stream? Am I looking into different opportunities, whether Uber, car rental, whatever, where I can make up to 200,000 monthly on that? Or do I want this one-time investment? I buy the vehicle, flip it, get 500,000 on it because of how low it will be at the when you go and get it from a bid. So the choice is yours, how you want to actually do that business.
All right, so the questions are rolling. Roger, I will be visiting you when I return home before I start my business. Dr. Kesha is there waiting, Roger, for sure. Yes. And then next question, token, what is saying? Are the cars in Jamaica or overseas? The ones we're bidding on.
The one, they're all here. So they're in Jamaica. The ones they're bidding on are in Jamaica here. They're
The
pretty much
wharf, right?
right. They're at the wharf. I think they're at Kingston Wharf and in Montego Bay. Those are cars which person for some reason can't get them cleared, and they want to get them out of the Warsaw space. Mhm. Yeah, there are a lot of them there and a lot of opportunity with that.
Right. And the thing is, now, when you say these things, and Mark, that is your mindset. It sounds that way because you don't know, you're not exposed. It really is that easy to make money, but you will see people thriving and you don't understand why. And it's simple. Them just make a step where you're not willing to make. It
That's
is not
true.
hard. It's not hard. You could have sit down and do any one of these and have money. Right?